The project about liquid level monitoring system. Here we have the components. We need 3 male to female wires, one GSM module with a SIM card which has balance, one antenna, and we have Arduino board over here, and one adapter and one cable to connect the Arduino to the laptop. One float sensor. This float sensor will help us to monitor the liquid level. The basic concept behind the float is that it has a magnetic strip inside the float over here and over here. The difference between the magnetic field generated due to the magnets will give us a reading, which is then mapped according to the Arduino values to give us a exact idea about how the level of liquid will be changing in the tank. Here we connect this float sensor to the Arduino through analog input, and one input will be given to the ground. Here the GSM module has inputs TX, RX and ground. TX will be connected to port number 9 on the digital, and RX will be connected to port number 10 on the digital signal inputs, and the ground will be connected to the ground signal. So let's start the connections. We will use the male female wires to connect the Arduino and GSM. The input of this will be given to analog input A0, and one will be connected to the ground. The connections are done, and now we can interface the Arduino with the laptop. We will come to know that the laptop has started powering the Arduino with blinking lights on the Arduino board, and the GSM is connected to the Arduino. We can know that by looking at the power on symbol. This adapter will be used to power the GSM module. Once the GSM module has been powered on, then we will see a network blink over there. This is the code which gives us the interface between the GSM and the Arduino. This GSM interfacing Arduino module has been coded, and it has to be uploaded onto the Arduino board. Here we see the main code, that is send message. The GSM module is capable of sending a message when the float sensor detects any variations in the level of liquid being when it varies. This void send message is the main code in which you can edit the number to which the message has to go when the Arduino detects any change in the level of liquid. Now if we see that the code has an option of giving the number to which you want to send the message and also the message which you want to send. So let's upload this code onto the Arduino. As you can see, the code has been uploaded. Here after uploading you get a message that whatever is the minimum space and what is the space that is left on the Arduino ROM. Now coming back to the serial monitor, if you see at the float, any variation done on the float will be recorded. If I increase the level of the float, now looking at the screen you get a message saying tank bhar gaya. Now if we look at the number to which we have sent the message, these messages act as an alert to the person whoever has to switch off the motor personally or automated by another device. So this is how we can program the Arduino through the GSM module to control any float sensor. This float sensor is insulated and it can be inserted into any liquid. Right now for demonstrative purposes it has not been inserted because of shortage of length of wire, but anyways it can be used for any size of the tank of the liquids. This comes in variable sizes and it has various purposes and many applications.